First rates, it's a truncated week, and the first rates are 21 points lower for the Nifty. The breadth is in favor of advancing stocks versus declining stock. The Bank Nifty up 45 points. Now let's look at Kotak Mahindra Bank. Yes. Reaction? Well, markets are saying one uncertainty on succession planning is over, another one which in terms of delivery will start. Stock is cheap, so the fall is not a very meaningful one. So 29-30 rupees lower for Kotak Mahindra Bank, which frankly nobody is going to be even talking about it. That's like just a result reaction. ICICI Bank and Paytm, two other stocks which are worth revisiting in terms of where the market is. And ICICI Bank up by 1% and Paytm down by 3 rupees. And Loris, which I think came during market hour on Friday, the con call must have got over and now markets would be digesting those numbers. 396 rupees for Loris Labs.
There's RBL Bank as well, where the NIMs have improved to 4.9%. The gross net NPA ratio is now at a 16-quarter low. A nice move of about 1% and counting higher for RBL Bank as we speak. L&T Finance also came out with its numbers. The Q2 numbers are above estimates, NIM at an all-time high. That stock is well holding out marginally in the green as we speak. There's also JSW Energy. The margins have come in, expanded quite a fair bit at almost touching 58%. 4% is the gap up move that you're seeing on this newly listed entity. Revenues as well higher by 36.5%. There's Balkrishna Industries also, wherein there's been a fair amount of margin expansion to 23.6%. That stock though starts off a little bit tempered, 1% lower as we speak right now. Paytm, Nikunj was just flagging off that stock. Let's check in on what that stock as well is up to right now in trade. Decent numbers, but no, the stock is lower by about almost 1.5%, or rather 1% as we speak. IDBI Bank as well, the asset quality has seen an improvement, so that's another stock which should be starting off in the green. Yeah, surely it is up over 2.5% as we speak. There's also Poonawalla FinCorp, blowout set of numbers there. NIMS expansions, AUM uptick of about 54%. There's also Central Bank, wherein the asset quality has shown a sequential improvement. That stock also higher, marginally albeit. Credit Access Grameen, NIMS at 13%, AUM uptick of 36%. There's J&K Bank, a significant asset quality improvement on a sequential basis. NII uptick of nearly about 11%. J&K Bank holding up 2.5% as we speak right now. So lots of earnings and a lot of positive news flow. But amidst that, of course, there's Oberoi Realty as well, wherein the Q2 booking value has come in down by about 20%. And the units booked as well in this quarter, while they, of course, showed an uptick on a year-on-year basis. Yes Bank, below estimate numbers. Finolex Industries, again a disappointment there. Amber Enterprises reported a loss. EBITDA is down 62%. There's Goa Carbon, again weak numbers there. Suntech Realty and EBITDA loss versus profit. Sasken Technologies, EBITDA down 52%. So it's a bit of a seesaw out there, as is for the Nifty, which is absolutely flat, Nikunj. But Kunal, the first trades that you're punching in.
Yeah, so I think Tata Motors could be something which looks interesting. The stock is at 660, 670 zone. It's been a breakout point for Tata Motors, so that's something which I'll look to trade at the open.
All right, that's Tata Motors punching in the first trade from Kunal. What about you, Naresh? What's looking good?
So continued like CRISIL as a short-term defensive bet, the stock could go towards 4,600, 4,700 levels. So buy at current levels, add more on dips.